Hello folks. Today I will show you 30 proofs of how plastic containers of all shapes and sizes will simplify the organization of your household. Plastic bottles can work wonders, especially when you know how to use them. With a bit of inspiration, they can streamline your life when it comes to organizing your home. Are you familiar with them? Great ideas are waiting around every corner, and today we have plenty for you once again. We've prepared some fantastic ideas on how plastic containers of all shapes and sizes can assist you in organizing your household, garage, or even your garden. Let me know in the comments below what ideas you use, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now, let's dive into it.